Good morning, class 8. Today I will take your class of Geography, lesson 2nd, which name is Land, Soil and Water Resources. This is the second chapter, and I will introduce firstly, that what is the natural resources. Because of the natural resources are also the land, soil, water and etc. Okay, land is the most important of the all natural resources. It serves as the source for all the other resources such as minerals, forest, life form above the below and also the surface. Different types of the soil, surface, waters like as river, lakes and human settlements and populations. Everything has been just on the land. So land are the base of the all the natural resources. Because of the on the land, that we have all the resources like as water, rivers, soil, forest, humans, also the population and other things like as the minerals, rocks, sands, etc. Everything has been on the land. So that's the reasons natural resources depend on the lands. So firstly you have to understand that land resources, what is this? Okay, all humans being live on the land and use it for the agricultures and also the various of the purpose. That what is the use of the lands for the humans? Firstly and important that they have to live on the land, and second they have to use as like that agriculture, second industrialization, settlements, and also they have infrastructure has been done and there all the animal husbandries, everything has been used by their that living. So what are the percentage of the earth on the land? That very well about, because you are in the class 8 and this information has been given in the class 3rd and 4th. What are the percentage of the earth? It is the 30%. The lands is the approximately 30% of the earth, and this about 1/3 of the earth's total land. And this area is not suitable for living. Otherwise, the land surface is also not the same everywhere. There are level plains, uplands, or the plateaus, hills and mountains at various locations. Different type of lands present different type of the resources. That when you have taken the different type of the lands, different type of the land means they have their other parts, other categories, other size, and also location has been changed. It means plains is the other part of the other types of the land, mountains other types of the land, valleys other types of the land, and everything has been totally not the same on the earth. So that's the reason that approximately of the earth land have only 30%, and they 30% have not all for the full 100% for the living, because mountains are not available for the livelihood. Humans being will be not live in that that valleys, and also they can't live in the rivers and the ocean. So that's the reason they have approximately different types of the resources also. If the land have different types, so their resources will be also the different, such as it is the totally depending on their climate and also the population. Examples: Arctic area. You have, if take Arctic area, so their deserts, high mountains and also the unfavorable activities practiced such as the farming is totally different from to the other part. and this of the earth. Other hand, most of the plains across the world are very fertile. So generally humans tend to live in the area with moderate climates, fertile soil, level lands. The plains have all these features, so they are called the most populated area in this world. Land use. Next topics I will derive in the front of you. Land use. Do you know that patterns of the land us use tell us how to land is being to utilized by the humans. If the land's pattern has been changed to the all part of the earth, so our humans has been also changed their living styles. They have to generally utilize their according to different types and pattern of the lands, such as if you have taken the lands, so economics use of the land. These land can be used as the agriculture fields, cultivate crops as industrial areas, and also the established to the factories. And they have to lands cover its physical elements, cover the lands, vegetations, buildings, waters include in it. So land use depend on the physical factors such as the topography, climates, availability of earth, and also water, soil and minerals will be available on there. And second points of this use of land on the plains, it is estimated that 11% of the earth's surface is used for the cultivation. It is unique information about this land using. There have only 11%. 30% of the earth is land, and of then 30% use 11% of the earth for the only agriculture. It means cultivations, forest, and other 28% left 28% used for that users accounts. Think about right now I will define the land conservation. Think about afforestations, proper sewage disposals, plant crops rotations to preserve soil nutrients and allowing to grass to grow, appropriate disposals and hazardous industrial waste, proper use of the fertilizers and the pesticides, and finding way to protect the ecological diversity. They all are the like as is been empty vapors and the aluminium foils. It all are the just that helping to damage our lands. If we have to care of for it, so we can research and also the save our lands. So that on the land it is very precious things for the humans being. What is this precious thing on the land? Not diamond, but I want to tell you that soil is most precious to the diamond, because when the poor persons will take this soil, they will be survive on the earth without any problem. So it is very precious things of the land is soil. And that how to formation has been done of soil, how soil has been formed. So let me define what is formation of the soil. Soils varies from the place to place, even from the field to next field also. Soils varies, it means they have to move one place to the another place, and also they have varies from one place to the other place. For example, soil on the river next to a river could have to lots of the nutrients, making it is the productive areas, while as soil on a plateau or like little far away could the stony and unproductivity. Why? Because they have two formations has been done at parents rocks, climates, vegetations and times. If the lands has been changed their positions, it means they have in the before in the rock part, but erosion of the rock by water, by moving air, otherwise by sliding the ice, they have to just that broken into the teeny particles. These teeny particles move one place to the another place. This is the examples of formation of the soil. And that what is parents rock, because I am informed to you that they all the formation of soil has been done from the parents rocks. And what is this parents rock? The parents rock is the original rocks. Parents means it is the original rocks from where the soil has been formed. The soil from that varies from to the parents rocks. It is the original rocks. These original rocks determine the types of the minerals, contains texture, color, chemical properties. Else these all are the depending to the formation of the soils. Because of that they have also there many types, many kinds of soil: black soil, laterite soil, sandy soil, clay soil. Why? Because of parents rocks. When soil has been formed, which types of the parents rocks, it is depending to their also the minerals contains, what is the texture of the parents rocks, and what are the colors, chemical compositions, and also their all that temperatures. All things has been depending to maintain their kinds of soil. Soil has been formed, and also their types, their classification has been depending on the parents rock, which types of the parents rock, of which place, of which color. Also the chemical compositions also is important for the change their types of the soils. So class 8, that soil formation, soil kinds. Let me define what is the soil conservation. You know very well about that soil conservation, because soil is precious resources. I have informed to you that humans precious resources is soil on the land. This soil is also important part of the ecosystem. That ecosystem, what is ecosystem? Biological terms, in the biological terms, living organisms has been defined abiotic, abiotic. Their atmospheres, kinds of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, they have to connect it to each other. This is the ecosystem. And this ecosystem of the earth, it is also depend on the land and has been done by soil. So soil is the very precious resources for the humans being, and also it is the very important for the ecosystem, because of if you have soil, if you have life. So imagine that world with no soil, besides they have to know it atmosphere, because life of the wildlife habitat will be finished. Without soil they will be not survival. So when they have not here, so atmosphere and also the climate of the world will be not for the favorables for the humans being. It means totally earth will be finished. Next, it takes nearly about 500 years from the soil. It is 1 centimeter thick. It means soil increase. Soil always increase, and this increase means only very slowly and little part. It means that when we have taken 1 centimeter thickness of the layer of the soil, it will be improved